On this adventure with Lukimyu, we do our first dive in the Solomon Islands, Denise catches and prepares some squid, and I head back up the mast for some more repairs.
Solomon's Scuba Adventure Eco Lodge. For dinner. And yeah, for dinner. We're gonna go for a dive with them tomorrow. It's just like you could walk there. There's water in the way. So we're just trying to catch that one fall, hey? Okay, let's go.
You thought I was going in?
Yeah. Look at all the giant clams. And there's a scorpion fish down here, Jamie. Yep. Right there. You going diving today?
We are. We're going diving in the fishing range. The little eco dive resort can only accommodate approximately 12 people, and it's run by Lisa, an 80-year-old fanatical diver who still dives every single day.
Take a dip in the ocean, spend the day in the sunlight. Let's go back to our old ways, 'cause these years they are catching up. And there's so little time, and I don't see how we can waste any minute of it.
Well, that was about 70 minutes. We got down to about 24 metres. It was a really good diverse range of little critters.
Squid everywhere around the boat, just taunting me. We're filling some tanks today, and I already caught a squid this morning, but got another one. See? So I just need to clean him, and what was an amuse bouche may now actually be an entree because the other one was pretty small. Sorry, mate. I didn't like doing this last time. I don't know. So I've just pulled the head off. Just pulled the head off and taken the beak out of the tentacles. Then you need to separate off the wings, which just involves the wings just peel off like that. So that middle bit would come out properly. All that stuff would be gone. Salt and pepper squid with limes and some pea mayonnaise. It's good. It's really good.
And stop!
Our steaming light had blown, so I had to head up the mast to replace it.
Okay. Good, thank you.
As various lights blow on the boat, I generally replace them with low-powered LEDs. However, I didn't have one for the steaming light, so I had to just use a normal bulb.
Do you? Alright, can you go and try the steaming lights, please? Yep, we're good. Can you do one more check of the steaming lights, please? Yep, we're good. About 6 inches.
The top of the mast stands approximately 15 metres above the water.
One just tiny tap. Another one. One more. That's it.
Our spinnaker halyard had been chafing on part of the mast, so I had to
No, it's
investigate
okay.
why it had cut through the rope so quickly.
Alright, I'm good.
The edges were just too sharp, so the idea was to file them down and create more of a rounded, smooth edge. As you can imagine, this took a while.
Just bear with me a sec. Taking that edge off there and there. The only thing is these rollers seem to have a bit of an edge, but I can't do anything about that currently, so we'll see how we go.
Standard dinner on Lukimyu.
We have a aubergine or eggplant, pasta, glass of wine, water, and a picture postcard perfect sunset.
If it doesn't land, you can make a new one. All you need is 2 hands and imagination. Imagination.
On the next adventure with Lukimyu, we dive the world famous Upi and meet some locals, big and small.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends.
You live beyond.